What's up, guys? For today's video, we're going to be taking a look at the all-new 2018 Chevrolet Silverado LTZ. So the Silverado comes with three available engines: the 4.3-liter V6, the 5.3-liter V8, and the 6.2-liter V8. But this model has the 5.3-liter V8, which makes 355 horsepower and 383 pound-feet of torque, which can tow up to 11,100 pounds. So in the driver door, you have the window control. All four windows are fully automatic. Right behind it, you have the children lock and window lock. You also have the lock and unlock, mirror controls with soft closing mirrors. You also have the door handle with 2 memory seats. And right down here you have 2 bottle holder storage and the Bose speaker. And on the left hand side of the steering wheel you have the light controls with fog lights. You also have a card holder and a coin change. And on the steering wheel you get leather wrapped steering wheel. On the left hand side you have your cruise controls. And on the right hand side you have your controls for the infotainment system and voice command.
Say a command or say help.
Help.
You can say phone, audio, or OnStar. To call a number quicker, say call followed by the number. Speech session ended. Goodbye.
And on the right hand side of the steering wheel you have the 6-speed automatic transmission with manual mode, tow mode, and backup camera with guidance lines. And on the right hand side you have your turning signals with the windshield wiper control. And on the screen you have your speeds, trip A, B, fuel range, oil life, tire pressure, fuel economy, blank page. You also have your audio, phone, navigation, and options. You have your units, you have your information page, speed warning, and software information. Right along the center console you have the 8-inch color screen. Right below it you have radio controls, CD changer. You have the climate controls with heated seats on both sides. You also have the traction control and the cargo light. Right here you have storage, 12-volt power outlet and regular outlet. And in the middle you have 3 cup holders, 3 phone holders, storage. You have 2 more USBs, auxiliary cord, and a 12-volt power outlet. Also you have the divider. And another hidden storage. And on the screen you have your audio with Sirius XM. You have your phone, projection for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, OnStar navigation, settings. You have time and date, rear seat reminder, language, valet mode, teen driver, radio, vehicle Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. You also have text, OnStar navigation.
OnStar ready. Thank you. Goodbye.
And shop. And on the window sticker, the standard vehicle price is $44,700. They added the Texas Edition package, which includes 20-inch chrome wheels, Bose audio system, and the Texas emblem. They also added the wheel locks, which all comes up to $47,555. Here's the final assembly. 5-star safety ratings and fuel economy. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more.